Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com. What better way to ring in a new year than with new products from Rongrong Devoe? All right, y'all, this is another release that I was out of town for, but it is here and I'm so excited to share it with you. This is available now over at Rongrong. There is a beautiful new sticker book, neutral palette that goes beautifully with the Neutral Planner Girl sticker book. So if you haven't picked up that, make sure you do. A gorgeous notebook and seven new PET tapes that I am excited to share with you. So if you're interested in seeing some flip throughs of these new products, stay tuned. As always, I have the Rongrong link down below. It is an affiliate link, but it does also save you on your order when you shop that affiliate link. So a heads up on that. Otherwise, stay tuned. Let's check out these brand new products. All right, we're actually going to start with the sticker book. This is the box sticker collection from Rongrong. It's the neutral palette, which is awesome. These are all going to be very functional. It is gorgeous paper quality that we love from Rongrong. Nice thick paper, so functional. Her bullet points are my favorite because they're the smallest. I think they're fabulous. And these are all neutral stickers, which I love. She has released a winter collection. I believe there was a rainbow collection. I love that she is doing these functional pieces, because I grabbed for these books over and over and over. Some circles mixed in there, banners. Then we get into this darker color. This black is like, it sounds weird to say that there's different kinds of black, but you guys know what I mean. Like, this is a beautiful, deep black box that I absolutely love. And same thing with that brown. Sometimes browns can be hard, but they are ones that we use in our books. Dot grid, I like that it changes up too. It's not all empty. There are some options which kind of give some texture to your layouts, which is always fun to do. Another, if you have the Coffee Queen sticker book, like the Caffeine Queen or the neutral planners, or you're just a neutral kind of girly, then this is going to be perfect for you. They're just so pretty and soft, and I love me some functional stickers, especially this time of year, because I'm getting my life together. Like, this is happening, getting organized, getting in my planner, and the functional stickers come in really, really, really handy. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is a big book too. There's a lot of options in here. And again, she has the smallest bullet point stickers, which I'm here for. I like the small ones. I think they work really well. They fit well in my planner layouts, inserts. Oh, I like this kind of blushy pink. That's really pretty too. So great. 25 pages. That is going to be awesome. And then to coordinate this notebook. Now, I haven't bought very many planners this year, but notebooks, I'm all about planning on being awesome. Got your planner girl right here. This is so pretty. Look at the back. Rongrong. The inside is these gorgeous florals. And then we have, it looks like 3 divider sections. Today's list. She's got like her organization. And then this is like a thick dot grid, or a bigger dot grid. Here's why I like it, because you can write more easily. This like fits my size handwriting. Very workable, great for sketching out notes. And then you have the florals on the side. Dot grid on both sides, florals down the middle, neutral florals. Very pretty. A good amount of paper in between. Second divider, planning on being awesome every day. Love the back. I love reusable dividers. I'm all about it. That's why these notebooks are awesome. Design the life you love. So cute. Oh, I love it. All right, notebooks, those are the things that get me every time. I love me a beautiful notebook. Plus, I love having these covers to be able to use at different points. This one is beautiful and neutral, and I feel like you could use it all year. I think it is so, so, so pretty. The Stanley Cup. Oh my gosh, all the things. I love it. Okay, so along with that, we have all grown to love these PET tapes. These are individually cut stickers from Rongrong. They're on the rolls. Let's kind of open them together. This one is, oh, I can't tell all the names. You guys are going to have to go check out. This one looks to be some gorgeous florals. You know what? Let me get them all opened because that takes a hot second. And then I'm going to share them with you. Okay, like I said, I don't have all the names of these, but I can already tell you I'm obsessed with some of them like this. Are you kidding me? Look at those gorgeous, bright florals with all of the colors. If you are planning on keeping like a journal, a creative journal, these are fabulous for. I just love these. You get so many stickers. All of these are individually cut stickers. So as you can see, I can just pull one sticker off. It makes it so convenient to be able to work with these just because it's easy to get the stickers off. They're sized well for your bullet journal, for your planner. I love it. Oh, look at this gorgeous one. Like looking ahead to spring and summer, avocados and watermelon. Yes, please. With these bright florals. If you're over winter, now's the time, you guys. Like, let's go ahead. There is nothing saying you can't do tropical florals all over your projects in January, February, March, because maybe that is what brings you a little joy. And if that's the case, like, go for it. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, lemons. Oh, it's citrus. So pretty. So pretty with the beautiful backgrounds. They're just gorgeous. They're gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous stickers. There's so many ways to use them. You get so many on a roll, which is one, like if you're a card maker also, I'm just saying, because you can use these so easily, like over and over. I'm obsessed. Look at those. Are you kidding me? Those are stinking gorgeous. How soft and pretty and feminine. Love. These are giving me all the Zen feels. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Okay, let's see. What do we have? Oh, this has the Moroccan feel. All the neutrals. These pair so well with the neutral boxes. Like these is the decorative stickers. Neutral boxes as your functional. And you're ready to go. I'm excited to start using these for daily sheets. I think these fit really well for your daily planning. So that's going to be how I use them. These are cute little houses. Oh, those are adorable. How fun are those? Look at the one with the phonograph at the top. So cute. Just for a little extra something, you know? How fun on a little note card just to put in your kid's lunchbox. Just one little sticker. That would be so cute. And then if you are ready to continue to embrace winter, because it's winter where you are, look at these sweet winter scenes. It's not like Christmas, but definitely winter. And I think they are so, I love all the animals. So stinking cute. I love them so much. So the PET tapes, I said it before, I'll keep saying it, is one of my favorite products from Rongrong. I think it's a fabulous value. I think you get so many stickers. I think the art is beautiful. I'm here for these PET tapes, so make sure you go and check them out. And then also, these are great functional pieces. I love a notebook because you can reuse the dividers. You can use this paper, super versatile. And then of course the neutral palette. This is like a staple in any collection. All the functional boxes that you're gonna need for all of your neutral planning. All right, so that is it for this little haul from Rongrong. Be sure to go check out her website. These actually went on sale on Christmas Day. I know I'm a little late in sharing, but I was out of town and I still wanted to share them with you because I think they're beautiful and I think they would be a great addition to all of your planning tools and planning stickers and all the things for the new year. So make sure to check it out. If you use the link below, that saves you a little bit extra on your order, which is always a fabulous thing. Otherwise, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.